presenting the Vivo Y100 5G. The phone has display of 16.20 cm, 6.38 inches. The phone also has full HD+ AMOLED display. It has triple 64MP plus 2MP plus 2MP rear camera, 16MP selfie camera. It comes with 4500 mAh battery. It has 128GB internal memory and 8GB RAM. It also features Bluetooth-enabled, basic phone, and dual camera. Camera and built-in GPS. The delivery box contains Model Y22 documentation, USB cable and USB power adapter. SIM eject tool, phone case and protective film, applied. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.